Hi friends, welcome to Anu's Life. Please subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and also hit the bell button for latest updates. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anuradha and today is Ganesh Chaturthi. So I want to wish you all and your family a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. May God bless you with endless happiness and success. So friends, today I'm going to show you how to make Modak and Besan Laddu. These two are favorite of Lord Ganesha. As we all celebrate the birth of Lord Ganesha, so we offer his favorite prasad. So today I'm going to show you how to make Modak and Besan Laddu at home very easily, not at all a problem. You can offer it to Lord Ganesha and get his blessings. So I will show you how I celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi at my home and what all puja I did. So let's start, friends.
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा
जय गणेश जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा.
Friends, to make Modak, first we need 1 cup of freshly grated coconut and 1 cup of jaggery. So at first I have to melt the jaggery in low flame. So after 5 minutes the jaggery is nicely melted. Next I am going to add the grated coconut in it. Friends, our coconut stuffing is ready. We have to keep it aside and let it cool for 5 minutes. To make the dough, first we need to boil 1 cup of water in which I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and also I am going to add 2 teaspoons of cow's ghee. Now I will show you how to make modak, friends. First, we need to grease our hand with some ghee, and then I'm going to show you how to flatten the balls. Friends, modak is ready and it looks delicious and smells awesome, and I'm going to offer it to Lord Ganesha. Now I'm going to show you how to make besan ke laddu. First we have to heat 1 cup of ghee. Next we have to add 1 cup of besan in it. Now we have to close the gas, and next I will put 1 cup of cashew nuts in it and mix it well. Besan ke laddu are ready. You can put cashew nuts on top. It's going to look gorgeous and it's going to taste amazing.
जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा।
जय गणेश जय गणेश देवा।
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
माता जाकी पार्वती पिता महादेवा।
जय गणेश देवा।
That's all for today, friends. I hope you all enjoyed my video. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi once again. Enjoy with your friends and family, and don't forget to make modak. Till then, all of you take care. Bye bye. Stay well.